everybody, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great remedy, a great ingredient that will help you to get plump, that will help you to get fat at the right places. Okay, now when we talk about fat, we're talking about adding more some more meat to your body and looking really beautiful. Okay, but this ingredient, since it is natural, is going to help you to deposit those fats at the right places. Since it is not junk, it is actually natural ingredients and they are very healthy, and you have to take it back to back. Okay guys, so if you want to know the ingredients, please do continue watching and don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and now let me take you right into the video. So to gain an healthy weight, we're gonna be needing avocado, and we actually also call this pear. Okay, so this is avocado pear, and this is very important. It's actually very important for the skin because it helps to remove wrinkles. It's important for the body because it helps to build your system. It also helps to help you gain weight at the right places. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is what a healthy avocado. You rarely see this kind of avocado in our place, but thank God I have a healthy avocado. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, putting it into a plate. Okay guys, so before touching this, I've actually washed my hand, although I'm actually the one drinking it anyways. Okay guys, so we're also going to be needing granules, and you have to use fried granules for this. Okay, because fried granules helps to produce oil, and the natural granite oil is actually what is going to help to build that fat at the right places and make you look so plump. Yeah, okay, so you can put as much granite as you so please. Okay, so I'm actually not going to be putting much because when you're actually using granules, you have to make sure to equally maintain your skin, like your face, yeah, because of the oil. So you have to scrub out the excessive oil that is going to produce. So that's why I'm not going to be putting too much, and this is actually okay. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important also, is yogurt, and the yogurt you'll be needing is actually the one that has fura. I don't know if where you are you can actually get a yogurt that has fura, because fura is actually an African. So we're actually going to be using yogurt that actually contains fura in it, because that's actually the best for this remedy. Okay, so the fura helps so much in giving you that coordinated fat. Okay, so we're going to be putting 3 tablespoons of the fura. Okay, so we're going to be transferring this into a blender. Okay guys, so what you're gonna need is yogurt, and you can actually get any organic yogurt. It mustn't actually be this product. Yeah, you can get organic yogurt when you get, sorry, did I say yogurt? Honey, I mean to say honey. I don't know if that happened to you guys. It does happen to me. When I want to say one, I'll go say the other. Anyway, you need your honey, and you're gonna be putting as much as you can take, guys, but of course not too much, just a little quantity to go around. And this is actually going to help activate this ingredient. Okay, so this is it. And the last ingredient, which is very required and important, is egg. And you're gonna be needing cooked egg. Now you notice that cooked egg is actually way better than raw egg. Now, because of the oil that they actually use in frying it, some of the oil they use in frying this egg are actually not organic oil. They are actually not from coconut. Granules. Yeah. So you boil your eggs. You can even use 2 eggs, but I'm actually using 1 egg here. And then you put your egg. Now the next thing you do is put a little water, so to enable the blending, but of course not too much, so the whole mix can remain really thick and really enjoyable. Yeah, so okay, so now you blend. Okay, so you have to blend so well so that there won't be any particles in it. So this is it. It's actually very, very thick, and this is how you would be wanting it, really, really thick, guys. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to transfer this thick mix into a plate or a cup. Alright, so this is actually a combination of egg, granules, avocado, yogurt, milk, and honey. And okay, so you have to make it this thick, and drink this at least every morning before you take anything. Yeah, this is actually going to help fill your stomach, and it's going to help deposit the fats at the right places, and you are going to be looking really plump and really beautiful. Yeah, and this is actually a healthy drink, guys, so it's actually something you can actually take, and it's very, very organic. Okay, so take this at most once in a day, is either in the evening or in the afternoon, and you are going to be gaining that healthy weights at the right places, and the weight is going to be very, very beautiful. Yeah, so this is it. Okay guys, so that's it. Have you seen that? At least try to take 1 glass a day and you are good to go. It's going to help you so much to, you know, maintain a healthy weight. Okay, it is not just getting fat everywhere. You know, this is actually going to help you maintain healthy weight. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you do find this video interesting and helpful and educative, thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you again. Ciao.